How to turn off notifications on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can turn off your notifications on Pinterest. Begin by opening your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Once on the home page, you will notice notification icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and you will reach to this page. There you will find the filter option. When you click on it, it will present options for all comments and photos. When you select one of these, you will turn on or off the notifications for these options. If you want to customize your notification preferences more, proceed to the next step. Click on your profile icon located next to the notifications on the same page. Within your profile, tap on settings at the top of the screen to access the setting page. Once in the setting page, you will find notifications options there. Click on notification. Notifications are grouped into 3 categories here. Expand each category by clicking on this arrow button. Customize your notification setting based on your preferences. You can either turn off for all, you can either turn off specific notifications or opt to disable all advanced settings. Apply similar customization to the other 2 notification categories as per your requirement. And there you have it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.